Hi everybody, I'm Kara.
Hi, I'm Sophie.
Welcome to Sophie's Kitchen. We are playing with one of my favorite foods of all time. It is toast. Dun dun dun! So, selfish plug, this is my book. It's all about things on bread. And
It's
you
stunning.
should get it because it's really fun.
It's so beautiful and inspiring. Has beautiful photos that she took herself.
True. And it will teach you how to make toast and get creative with it.
Super creative.
Yeah.
No rules, right?
Yeah, that's what we're doing today.
Yeah.
So we've got these gluten-free toasts that I already toasted in your very cute toaster. And we're just gonna play. We've got all these different ingredients that we pulled out of the refrigerator. So that's the best thing about toast, is you can just play with what you already have. I'm gonna make one savory and one sweet.
I'm not sure what I'm doing yet.
Great.
I'm gonna just jump in. Let's show her them a little bit. So we have sprouts, sprouted peas, regular sprouts.
Yeah.
We have roasted veggies, sweet potatoes and carrots.
We have some pesto.
Some pesto. We have Philosophie honey right here.
Yes.
This is the cacao beef, so that has lots of cacao, antioxidants, but it's also an unfiltered organic honey.
Delicious.
We have avocado. We have some of our favorite spreads. Kite Hill chive. It's one of my favorites on
No dairy in
everything.
that. Yep.
No dairy.
It's vegan.
And same with these Hope hummuses. They're all vegan. So this is a kale pesto. This is a beet hummus. Super beautiful. That pink color. Red pepper.
We've got this ridiculous almond butter.
Yeah. We're both nut butter addicts.
Yeah, and this one I just want to eat by the spoonful all day.
You know.
So good.
Yeah. And then some other little just fun things. So
Great.
let's do it.
Should we dive?
Yep.
Let's dive in. Here we go. Yeah, so the general idea with toast is get a base on there. I've got this delicious Kite Hill cream cheese. You're doing a hummus.
Beet hummus, that pink color, so gorgeous.
And then you could use like almond butter as a base or something, and then you want to build on top of that and think of what flavors would taste really good with that base. So I'm using a cream cheese, and I think avocado would taste really good with it.
Yeah, but actually, I'm gonna use some of these sprouts. So I'm kind of going savory and sweet.
Yeah.
I have a beet hummus, which is a little bit on the sweeter side from the beets, but naturally. And then some sprouted peas.
You know what? Just for kicks, because I'm obsessed, we're gonna add a big dollop of pesto on that.
Yummy.
Right?
I'm gonna add this seasoning blend.
Oh yeah, this stuff is so yummy. Everything but the bagel. It's like garlic and onion and sesame.
Yummy. Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
Of course.
Great.
I'm happy.
Happy with one.
Yeah.
Down to number two.
Number two.
Okay, I'm going with almond butter. I need something sweet to get it in.
Get it. I think I'll do my favorite garlic spread.
Yum.
So this, the only ingredients in this is garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, canola oil, basil, and salt. And it's really garlic.
Look at that magic happening. Oh.
So beautiful.
Yum.
A drizzle.
Right? So good.
All right.
I feel like you need a carrot or something on it too.
Yes, I forgot about the carrots.
Right? Let's get you a good orange.
Perfect.
Yum.
So
Oh my
much
gosh.
nutrition in one
little toast.
piece of toast.
These are adorable
I love
and
them.
colorful. Look at all the colors happening.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys want to see other recipes, let us know so we can make them for you.
Buy her book. Buy my superfoods.
It's linked below.